guys, my name's Dave from Team Knucklehead Reviews. Today I'm going to look at the Style Twisted Meshes RDA, sent to me on the purpose of this review by knuckleheadvapes.com, which won't cloud my judgment. So what I'm going to do now is dive down, have a look at it, and then we'll come back up and vape on it. Here we go, the star of the show, the Style Twisted Meshes Free RDA. Let's open it up, let's have a look. It does come with a nice goodie bag. You can see it's got some grub screws in there, Allen key, O-rings. It does come with some coils. Look like camphor to me, but I don't use that. I'll be using some Knucklehead Vapes NI80 recumbent wire, 20 gauge. I will be putting a James Bond build in, which I will show you. I have actually pre-made the coils and pre-bent them, but we'll do that in a bit. So I'll put that to one side. There we go. Now we've got the star of the show. Twisted Meshes Free RDA in stainless. It does come in gold and black as well. Lovely. Right, got a lovely copper protruding 510 pin. It does stay on there. There we go. It's got the Twisted Meshes there. Twisted Meshes Free logo. It does have a serial number 6531, but you can take that with a pinch of salt as it is styled. There we go. Right. Then yeah, it's absolutely lovely. It's a 25mm RDA, 810 drip tip in stainless. It does come with a black 510 drip tip as well, and it's also got another airflow barrel in black. Really nice. So let's have a look at it. Let's put this to one side. Yeah. Right, it's got a unique way of getting the top off. Unscrew, and the threading is super smooth, like butter there. A conical shape top part helps with the flavour. There we go. And then you've got the unique barrel airflow system, so you can put it on there, and it is whatever you have that side, you've got that side, and you can close it down, and there you go, you're closing it down that side, and when you turn it around it's closing it down on the opposite side. Or if you move it round like that, you could have it as a single build, because it closes off. There you go, closes off for a single build. Right, let's take this apart, take the deck off, and it's a postless deck with 4 grub screws, which I have removed to make it easier for when I put my build in. There you go. Lovely. Right, let's put a build on then. There you go. Put it on my ohms tester, make it easier. There. Right. And there you go, the coils that I made earlier. 4 rats, NI80, 0.07, 0.07 build, James Bond build. Right, I did stop the film because this was a bit tricky on camera, being my first time, and I've put a build in. I've got the hotspots out, got it glowing nicely. Just give you a show you what it's looking like. There, glowing from the inside to the out evenly. Yeah, about that. Okay. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wick it up, put it back together, come back on top, have a vape on it, and bit of chat about it. Well, welcome back, guys. Right, that was the up and close. Right, now I'm going to talk about some pros and cons. What I liked about it, what I didn't like about it. So here we are, the pros. The flavour is immense. Absolutely love the flavour. If I had to give it a scale of 1 to 10 on flavour, I'd go 8.5. The airflow is how I like it. It's subjective, so it is a pro, but it is subjective. The airflow is really airy, but you can cut it down, so pro in my book. It comes with two barrels, two airflow barrels, so you can have it in stainless or you can have it in black. The machining on this RDA is buttery smooth. Now I come to the cons. Only a couple of cons. First con for me is it only comes with 2 spare grub screws. Why they didn't put 4? Second con, no bottom feed 510 pin to make it squonkable. So subjective con, that's a con for me. Third, the airflow. When you adjust it, I seem to have to unscrew it a bit to adjust the airflow. So there you go, guys, there's my views on this RDA. Now, would I go and buy this if I lost this tomorrow? Do you know what? Yes, I would. I love the flavour on it, I love the airflow on it. It's just a great RDA. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like at the bottom and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to buy this, I will put the links at the bottom. Have a good one.